The SanDisk Extreme Pro portable SSD features read speeds up to 2000 megabytes per second and write speeds of up to 2000 megabytes per second as well. This means you'll be able to transfer large files in seconds, making it perfect for anyone who needs to work on the go. One of the things that sets the SanDisk Extreme Pro portable SSD apart from other portable SSDs is its durability. It's made from high quality materials and is designed to withstand drops, shocks, and even water. With this drive, you get up to 2-meter drop protection and IP55 water and dust resistance. So now let's take a closer look and talk about the design of the SanDisk Extreme Pro portable SSD. It features a sleek black design with a durable aluminum body that's amazing to look at. It's got a soft rubber surface so that it doesn't slip out of your hands and also protects it from getting damaged. It has a handy carabiner loop for securing your drive, so you can hang it on your travel bag or your backpack and have it handy whenever you need it. It's also incredibly thin, lightweight, and compact, which means that you'll be able to take it with you wherever you go. The drive also offers hardware encryption to keep your data safe. The drive itself has a single USB-C port for connectivity, and 2 USB-C cables are included in the package. One terminates in a USB-A connector and the other terminates in a USB-C connector. So you have options of what USB port to use to connect it to your computer. Now let's talk about performance of the SanDisk Extreme Pro portable SSD. As I mentioned before, it has read and write speeds of 2000 megabytes per second, which means that you'll be able to transfer large files in seconds. And I've tested this portable SSD with a variety of different applications, and it performs incredibly well across the board. So here's a quick video of me transferring a large file from this portable drive to my computer, and here you can see the impressive sustained transfer rate. I also ran the Crystal Diskmark benchmark where we see its performance with both sequential and random data transfers.